Struggling to show your franchise locations on a map? Customers search endlessly for nearby stores, losing interest fast. Static lists don't cut it. How do you make your network interactive and easy to embed on your site? MAPOG fixes this with powerful tools to build dynamic maps from your data, upload locations via CSV, style them professionally, and embed anywhere. Log into story.mapog.com. From a dashboard, click Create New Map, pick Store Mapper Template. Name it, add description, hit Create. Once the map loads, replace and upload your logo. This brands the map instantly for trust. Go to Process Custom Location, select Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Go to Select Custom Location Template Settings and click Add More Custom Location Template. Create a reusable template for future uploads. Title it, pick color, set geometry to point. Add fields, text for store name, enable contributors if needed. Choose URL for websites, then save. Choose the template from the dropdown, then select and upload the CSV. Choose a unique ID column to prevent duplicates, or click Auto-Generate Unique ID if your sheet does not include one. Then match Excel columns to the template attributes one by one. After that, map latitude and longitude in their separate fields correctly, and click Submit. Your locations will appear on the map with get directions and website links. Click Edit Custom Location Details to quickly add storefront images and operating hours to individual pins. Go to the Layer panel and select Add Layer Style. Choose Category Styling. This makes data scannable by highlighting. Pick an attribute field like rating, assign distinct colors and icons to each tier, e.g., orange for 3-star, yellow for 4-star, green for 5-star. Adjust opacity or size if needed. Then save and confirm. Access Display Properties settings. This shows selected info right next to each location pin. Check boxes for key fields like opening hours, available services, contact number, or rating. Save so customers see the most relevant details displayed beside locations at a glance. Navigate to Map Settings and select the Action Button section. This adds clickable buttons to the map interface that drive direct customer engagement. Type your button text, e.g., find your brew. Paste your specific URL and phone number, then click Save. Users can now tap the button and access your menu instantly. Go to the Preview and Share tab. Set map visibility to public so everyone can access it. Click Share Embedded Map to generate the embed link. Copy it, then paste directly into your website's HTML or WordPress editor. Your live interactive map is now customer-ready. With MAPOG, embed your franchise map today and watch customers find you faster. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, analyzing maps, creating maps, or GIS consultancy, you can write to us at support@theratemaPog.com anytime.